Hello students, today we will discuss some more examples same as the previous examples, means examples based on the second property, but here question given in the different pattern we have to solve here. So the first example, show that integration from 0 to infinity t cube e raised to minus t sin t dt is equal to 0. We have to prove that this integral is equal to 0. See, question given in the different pattern here, but these are the example based same as the previous examples. We have to use the definition of Laplace transform here. We know that from the definition of LT means Laplace transform, L of f of t is equal to, means Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. See here in our question, t cube e raised to minus t sin t dt. Here it is e raised to minus t f of t dt. Means here except this e raised to minus t, e raised to minus t is as it is same as e raised to minus st. Here as value is 1 and t cube sin t is f of t. Therefore, before that given integral can be written as given integral is integration from 0 to infinity t cube e raised to minus t sin t dt, which can be written as integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t cube sin t dt. Therefore, our f of t will be t cube into sin t. We have to we have to find the Laplace transform of t cube sin t. We know that how to find the Laplace transform of the given function, which is of the form t raised to n into f of t. After that, we have to use that property. Here it is t cube sin t. We have to first find the Laplace transform of sin t. After that, we have to differentiate that thrice with respect to s. See this example, this is same as the previous class example. Means like this in previous example. See previous video I have sent examples. In that fourth example is same as that present example. Here it is t cube sin t. Here we are solving t cube sin. What is the Laplace transform of t cube sin t? This one, Laplace transform of t cube sin t is 24s s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole raised to 4. Here we have result. Directly I am using this result in the present example. See, Laplace transform of t cube sin t is 24s s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole raised to 4. I am using that result here. Laplace transform of t cube sin t is equal to 24s s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole raised to 4. Now, integration from 0 to infinity minus st t cube sin t dt is equal to 24s s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole raised to 4. Here we have to take the definition, because here s term we have, but in our question s is equal to 1. Therefore, we have to find the Laplace transform of to show that this integral is equal to 0. We have to take s is equal to 1 to get this integral. Now, change s to 1. Now means put s is equal to 1 to get the value of integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t cube sin t into dt. You have to take this integral here to write this result. You have to take the definition, because here in our result means Laplace transform of this t cube sin t, we have the s term. So we have to take the definition here, because in our example s value is 1, but here s is as it is. To find this integral value, you have to put s is equal to 1, because in this example t is e raised to minus t. Here x value is 1, so you have to put s is equal to 1. Hence, integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t cube sin t dt is equal to 224 into 1 into 1 minus 1, means s square is 1, 1 minus 1 divided by 2 raised to 4, 1 minus 1 is 0, anything is 0, anything into 0 is 0, therefore the integral value is 0. Hence the hence the proof. Once again, see the procedure. You have to take the definition, the Laplace transform definition. We know that Laplace, from the definition of Laplace transform, L of f of t is equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Just see what is the value of s here. Here value of s is 1. Before that we have to find what is the f of t here. Just write the given equation in the form e raised to minus t cube into sin t into dt. Now before that find Laplace transform of f of t, that is t. Here f of t is t cube sin t. We know that Laplace transform of t cube sin t is 24s s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole raised to 4. Write that one with according to the definition. To find the given integral value, just change the value of s. Here value of s is 1. Then after putting s is equal to 1, we get that integral value is 0, which is the proof. Similarly, the next one, show that integration from 0 to infinity t e raised to minus 2t sin 4t dt is equal to 1 divided by 25. We have integration from 0 to infinity. Here we are using the definition of Laplace transform. Here s value is 2. Before that we have to use the definition only. Integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t sin 4t into dt, which is equal to L of f of t. See here L of f of t is equal to this integral. Here the integral is equal to L of f of t. Here is t sin 4t. So here I am writing directly our definition of a Laplace transform is L of f of t is equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Here I am using this definition directly. E raised to minus st as it is. Our f of t for the given example is t sin 4t into dt is equal to L of f of t. L f of t is t sin 4t. We have to find first Laplace transform of this sin t sin 4t. Then Laplace transform of t into sin 4t is, here n value is 1. So we have to differentiate Laplace transform of sin 4t one time. So minus d by ds of L into sin 4t. Laplace transform of sin 4t is 4 divided by s square plus a square. A value is 4. It will be 16. We have to differentiate here with respect to s. V as it is, s square plus 16 as it is, differentiation of 4 with respect to s is 0, minus 4 as it is, differentiation of s square plus 16 is 2s, divided by s square plus 16 whole square. Here it is 0. Now minus into minus plus, 4 into 2 is 8, 8s divided by s square plus 16 whole square. Next is therefore integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st t sin 4t dt is equal to, means this value, this integral is equal to L of Laplace transform of t sin 4t. T sin 4t value is Laplace transform is 8s divided by s square plus 16. To find the integral value, means the value of this integral, just change s by 2. We get, thus by putting s is equal to 2, we get integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t t sin 4t dt is equal to 8 into 2 divided by 2 square plus 16 whole square. We get 16 by 20 whole square. The 20 square is 400. 16 divided by 400, it will be integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t t sin 4t into dt is equal to 1 divided by 25, which is the proof. Third example is also same as the previous examples. Find the value of integration from 0 to infinity t e raised to minus 3t cos 2t dt using the LT. Here we have to find the value of this integral. See here s value is 3 here. Before that you have to use the definition, and L of f of t. Here t is, f of t is t cos 2t. First we have to find the Laplace transform of that. Here t is t raised to n value is 1. So we have to differentiate Laplace transform of cos 2t 1 times, it is minus d by ds of L cos 2t. Then Laplace transform of cos 2t is s divided by s squared plus 4. We have to differentiate that. S squared plus 4 as it is, differentiation of s is 1, minus s as it is, differentiation of s squared plus 4 is 2s. We get here minus s, minus into s square is minus s square, minus into plus minus 4, then it is minus into minus plus 2s square. Here minus s square minus 4 plus 2s square. We have s square minus 4, denominator term is as it is. Therefore, integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st, it is not minus 3t, e raised to minus st, t cos 2t dt is equal to s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square. To find the value of given integral, just put s is equal to 3. We get 3 square minus 4 divided by 9 plus 4 whole square, that is 5 divided by 169. These are also very easy. Just go through the definition of Laplace transform. See the example pattern. Here we have to use the Laplace transform definition. Directly write the f of t, means like this, integration from 0 to infinity. Here e raised to minus 3t here. Use Laplace transform definition, e raised to minus st, and write what is the f of t here. On seeing only we know that what is the value of f of t here. So write L of f of t is what, then find the Laplace transform of that. After that substitute s value, you get the value of the given integral. These examples are also based on the second property, but here example is given, question is given in the different form. Just you have to analyze what is the difference between the previous examples and this examples. You get the idea how to find the solutions.